He's a TV personality, a performance car company owner. Let's hear from KW Suspension brand ambassador, Sidney Hoffman.
So my name is Sidney Hoffman. I'm the owner of Sidney Industries, and we modify cars, especially Porsche and VW. And my person, Sidney Hoffman, is a host of different TV shows. We as company, Sidney Industries, we have exclusive carbon stuff. So we have carbon kits for the 992 GT3, and it's follow up with GT4 stuff. And we're producing exhaust systems. I really like air-cooled Porsche. And I'm very proud to represent in Germany the company RWB, and we built these cars, the RWB cars, in Germany for Akira Nakai. So the concept of my GT3 is it's a kind of vintage, because you see the different designs, the livery of the old historical Porsche cars, and so I combine the modern carbon kits. We produce carbon for the GT3 and exhaust system, and I hope it's a good concept and drive very well. Yeah, and we have less weight for sure. Yeah, in general, the KW suspension is always very precise when you compare to the OEM suspension, but in this case, with the GT3, if you go into the corner, it feels more directly. So the first impression of the V5 is a perfect compromise between driving sporty, like on the track day, and as a daily driver. So you have both sides combined in one solution.